Open weights are catching up, and ZAI's new flagship model GLM 5.2 is leading the charge. It is a mixture of experts architecture built to go toe-to-toe with closed-source giants like Claude Fable and Opus. In recent SWE-bench Pro evaluations, GLM 5.2 scored 62.1%, trailing the absolute best frontier models by just a few percentage points while offering a fraction of the operating cost. This changes the math for developer teams who want local reasoning power without paying private API premiums. But running a 750 billion parameter model locally requires massive enterprise compute. For independent developers, the entry barrier was too high. Until now. Enter Zenmux, a unified enterprise LLM gateway that hosts and routes to a massive collection of frontier models. At launch, Zenmux exposes a free API endpoint for GLM 5.2, giving developers access without running high-end hardware. Instead of writing custom API wrappers or setting up local clusters, you communicate with a single OpenAI-compatible interface. Under the hood, Zenmux manages model routing and rate limiting, acting as a bridge between your local development environment and massive remote models. It is basically a unified control panel for the open weights ecosystem. Integrating GLM 5.2 into your existing projects is incredibly simple because Zenmux uses an OpenAI-compatible SDK. You do not need to install new libraries or rewrite your prompting logic. All you need to do is update three variables in your client setup: your API key, the model name set to ZAI/GLM 5.2 free, and the base URL pointing directly to Zenmux. With those lines changed, any application built for GPT-4.0 or Claude can run on top of one of the strongest open-weight reasoning engines available today, completely free. GLM 5.2 is not just a toy for simple chat completions. It supports a massive 1 million token native context window and up to 128,000 output tokens. This means you can ingest entire software repositories, upload dense documentation, or run long-horizon agentic workflows directly through the API. Zenmux also provides free access to other coding-focused models like Kimi Code, allowing developers to switch models and compare outputs using the same unified connection. It is the ultimate sandbox for testing agentic integrations. To start building with these free models in production, keep these integration rules in mind. Register on Zenmux, configure client URL, secure API keys,